In recent tweets, prominent crypto tracking bot Whale Alert, which follows large crypto transactions and then shares details with the community on Twitter, now rebranded as X, the bot showed 2 consecutive transfers of XRP made from anonymous wallets to crypto exchanges. The transfers carried 28,500,000 XRP and 27 million XRP, respectively, to the Bitso and Bitstamp crypto exchanges. In the meantime, XRP has demonstrated a weekly price surge by over 6%, according to CoinMarketCap. Ripple wires 55.5 million XRP worth $30.5 million. Details of these transactions shared by Bitstamp show that they were made by the same anonymous wallet linked to Ripple Labs, the fintech giant based in the city of San Francisco, U.S. It seems that the goal of sending a total of 55.5 million XRP to the aforementioned exchanges is not selling but rather supporting these platforms which collaborate with Ripple Giant on its Ripple Payments project, which utilizes XRP on Ripplenet. The aforementioned crypto transfers are worth $15,704,941 and $14,879,092. Ripple Payments, until recently, was widely known to the crypto community as On-Demand Liquidity, ODL, but then Ripple decided to give it a new title with a total rebranding to make it more understandable to outsiders. By using its own servers for fast and low-cost cross-border payments, Ripple tries to improve the system of pre-funded accounts used by conventional banks for transfers that can take days and also raise other challenges to participants. Ripple partners with Uphold to improve its payments product. Earlier this week, Ripple Crypto Decacorn announced a new partnership it had made with the global WEB3 crypto trading platform Uphold. Through this partnership, Ripple will be able to improve its capabilities regarding crypto liquidity and improve the infrastructure of the aforementioned Ripple Payments service. It allows customers to make payments all year around 24/7 in real time. Head of Payments Product at Ripple, Pegas Altani commented on the new partnership, saying that it will allow the company to increase the scale of Ripple Payments by enhancing the infrastructure that supports this product thanks to the deep liquidity expertise of Uphold. Uphold's trading structure allows customers to move value between fiat and crypto seamlessly, and also do it across various networks. At the end of the day, this is good both for customer service and fast payments delivery. Ripple Decacorn currently works with several hundred corporate clients in more than 55 countries. Its payout capabilities expand to over 70 markets. Since the launch of its payments platform, the company has processed more than $30 billion worth of transfers, with a record 20 million transactions made. eGrad Crypto predicted in an X post that XRP could soar to as high as $27 in the next bull run. According to the post, the $27 target coincided with a FIB 1.618 retracement level. At press time, XRP was trading at $0.5507 after its price dropped 0.46% over the past 24 hours. eGrad Crypto, a cryptocurrency trader and analyst, predicted in an X post yesterday that a mega bounce for XRP is inevitable. Should this bullish outlook become a reality, he revealed that his upside target for the remittance token is at $27, which was also the same level as a FIB 1.618 retracement level. According to the post, XRP was not able to reach its full potential in the previous bull run as a result of Ripple's lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Therefore, eGrad Crypto believes XRP will most likely enter into an exponential move, fueled by this build-up potential, in the next bull cycle. A pump to $27 would amount to a 4,000% move for XRP from its current price. The analyst added that this move also aligns perfectly with the FIB 1.618 retracement level between the peak the remittance token established in 2017 and its 2020 bottom. Meanwhile, at press time, CoinMarketCap indicated that XRP was trading hands at $0.5507. This was after the altcoin saw its price slip 0.46% over the past 24 hours of trading. Despite this, XRP's weekly performance remained firmly in the green zone at plus 7.30%. XRP was rejected by the $0.5670 barrier over the past few days. This was after it was able to briefly break above the resistance level to reach a high of $0.5866 on Tuesday. Since hitting this peak, the altcoin's price entered into a multi-day negative sequence. This also caused the daily RSI line to change its slope from positive to negative, which suggests that buyer's strength was beginning to dwindle. Furthermore, the daily RSI line was closing in on the daily RSI SMA line at press time. If these two lines cross, it could signal a change in tides for XRP traders, which will give sellers the upper hand. As October draws to a close, the crypto space is abuzz with anticipation over what November may bring. All eyes are on XRP, one of the market's most popular digital assets, which has just wrapped up an astonishing performance in October. Surging ahead with an impressive gain of 6.97%, XRP has defied its typical October history, which usually sees declines averaging around -4.36% and a median of -0.62%. Interestingly, this year's October marked the third most profitable month for XRP since its inception in 2013. XRP to USD by CoinMarketCap. Looking ahead to November, data from the CryptoRank portal reveals that XRP has shown a promising trend in recent years. Over the past decade, the average return on investments for XRP in November stands at an impressive 77.3%. Unpredictable month. However, it is essential to note that the median statistic, which is a more reliable measure, points to a less optimistic figure of -10.2%. The significant variance between the average and median returns is mainly attributed to a few extraordinary spikes in XRP's price in 2013, 2014 and 2020. XRP monthly returns by CryptoRank. Despite the overall positive outlook, the history of XRP in November has been mixed. Out of the last 10 years, XRP concluded the month in the green only in 2013, 2014, 2017 and 2020, leaving it with a score of 4 to 6 in favor of loss-making Novembers. Nonetheless, as observed in October, XRP has demonstrated its capacity to defy historical price predictions. With the cryptocurrency market's inherent volatility and the token's track record of surprising surges, it will be interesting to see if the bulls will be able to maintain and potentially tip the balance in favor of a profitable month for XRP. Singapore-based crypto exchange Bitrue has unveiled what might seem like exciting news for the XRP community. In a tweet, Bitrue announced its support for the upcoming Zoho network, a smart contract sidechain within the XRPL ecosystem. Bitrue announces an upcoming listing for XAH, the native token of the new Zoho platform, in line with its support for the upcoming chain. It also mentions an upcoming mint event. Bitrue's dedication to the XRP ledger ecosystem is reflected in its continuous support for all newly introduced coins, features and platforms. Bitrue announced their support for the EVRS airdrop, whose snapshot occurred on September 1. Evers, or EVRS, is the native token of the Evernode platform, which will be built on the Zoho ledger. In late August, XRPL Labs participated in the joint launch of the Zoho whitepaper alongside Evernode, Alloy Network, and others. In an October 21 tweet, Evernode provided an update that the Zoho network launch was not far away, with the milestone of the HOOX v3 audit reached. Because there has been no official communication regarding the network's launch, the XRP community is reminded that Zoho and its token have not yet been launched, as only a whitepaper has been launched. Furthermore, there are no Zoho airdrops or giveaways, nor is there any trust line or IOU. It is strongly recommended that XRP holders do not disclose their keys to anyone. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Securities Commission, SEC, and Ripple Labs are expected to proceed to finalize a settlement following the official dismissal of the former's claims against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and its co-founder Chris Larsen. In line with that, pro-XRP legal expert John Deaton has revealed how the settlement will play out. A settlement isn't going to be straightforward. In a post shared on his X, formerly Twitter, platform, Deaton mentioned that he doesn't believe there has been a single serious conversation regarding settlement between the SEC and Ripple alongside its executives.
Winter may be in the past.
He said that the commission is pissed and embarrassed and wants $770M as a fine for Ripple's violation of securities laws.
Bitcoin is up 4.7% today, and there is all kinds of speculation about a Bitcoin ETF.
It is like a second case, but one that requires more depositions, interrogatories, requests for the production of documents, emails, bank statements, contracts, and ODL transactions. The process is also made more difficult as while the SEC is insistent on a $770 million fine, Ripple wants to drastically reduce the figure, as Deaton stated. To achieve this, Ripple will be looking to exclude the ODL transactions, which the SEC may claim are under institutional sales that violated securities laws. Deaton also alluded to the SEC's case against the decentralized content sharing platform LBRY, which took 8 months of additional litigation before the judge ordered that the platform pay a fine of $111,614 to the commission. That case was also not straightforward as both parties had to file multiple briefs again, and depositions were taken. How the SEC's case against Ripple could play out. As to when a final judgment could come from Judge Annalisa Torres, Deaton doesn't foresee one until late summer at the earliest. With that in mind, he mentioned that it could take a full year before the SEC, or even Ripple, gets the chance to file an appeal in this case. The lawyer once again mentioned the role that Coinbase's motion to dismiss, MTD, could play in this case in a potential settlement. He said that the SEC will be forced to pivot its anti-crypto agenda and then work out a possible settlement with Ripple if Judge Fela grants the motion. However, a settlement is unlikely if the crypto exchange were to lose its MTD. Coinbase is asking the judge to dismiss the SEC's case against it, arguing that the commission doesn't have jurisdiction over its activities. Hearing of Coinbase's oral argument is slated for January 17, 2024, with the ruling likely to come within 60 to 120 days after.